Hello Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 9th of May. Capricorn, I was getting something about a satellite. I'm not sure if there's a satellite dish that picks up radio stations or something about a satellite that's orbiting. Now I know usually when it comes down to digital things, IP address, usually them use satellite image. It could be something about satellite imagery, could be something about Google Maps imagery, a satellite image, or I'm getting something is being bounced off of the satellite. I'm getting something about a satellite. I'm not sure if this is a satellite in orbit. I'm just getting something about a satellite, okay, Capricorn, the devil. You're not usually up in the sky, but I'm getting something. This could be one satellite. Well, look, just like every other satellite that's rotating like everybody else, is a spy satellite. It could be from China. I'm getting a spy satellite. It look just like your satellite. It look exactly like it, act just like it pick up. I'm getting a satellite to send back feedback to. I don't know why I see an Asian face and it's not Japanese. The Japanese has never done anything wrong to anybody. You should know that. The only weird ass shit Japanese people did was, you remember that show named Korean Ching Chang? Which was weird because him the name Ching Chang and that's Chinese. Anyways, he was Japanese. You know, Korean Ching Chang, the little boy, the little mischievous Japanese boy, and him always a show him ass. You remember? That's the only weird ass. But I don't know if that's Japanese humor. Well, Japanese are very into hentai. Who the fuck watch cartoons fucking? That's how Japanese people are so weird. You should know that the only reason why I affiliate with Japan is because, and don't ask me how, cause I'm homeless on the streets for 5 fucking years. But you say back in the 2003, my big sister, my big brother, they go Japan. That's why our family did affiliate with Japan. They went to Japan in 2002, 2003. Then they got Japan with a girl name. What the girl? What Japanese girl name? Mickey something Shida. Mickey something Shida, one Japanese girl. Anyways, ask my mother about her. Anyways, Korean Ching Chang. That's the only weird ass thing. Me I see a Asian, me I see a straight eyes, not round. Japanese eyes round. Korean Ching Chang, my apologies. It was in the 1990s. I don't know if you know what Korean Ching Chang is. It's a Japanese manga, but it became a TV show. This little mischievous boy, and him always a show him ass. Alright? But me getting something about a satellite. Alright, let's go ahead. Yeah, see, the series is mainly of comedy style with a lot of sexual... What? It have a lot of sexual slang in it, leading to parents forbidding their children to watch it. However, due to its popularity, it's also stylistically as a family friendly as possible. So kids used to watch the show too. But Korean Ching Chang keep a show him ass, and I don't know what was the sense of that. But a lot of people, you even see penis and balls in it. Yeah, you did see Korean Ching Chang penis and balls. If you watch the unedited version of Korean Ching Chang, the little boy. It seemed like an adult show to me when we used to watch it. Cause my big brother and my big sister did introduce me to it because they went to Japan first. Then went to Japan in 2003. Why would it live at 22 Harbor Road in a blood clot rock fort on Warwick Hill? Ghetto. Rat-da-da-da. For some reason, my blood clot father meet this Japanese girl named Mickey. And they were on a flight to Japan. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what that is, but I'm getting, yeah. I'm getting the satellite is a spy satellite. It looks just like your own. It's not. I'm getting something Chinese. I don't know if it's Japanese. I want to blame, Japan would be the last person I blame anything on, to be very honest, but I'm getting an Asian face. The 5 of Cups coming out first. Okay, I don't know if you're 5 of Cups. So I'm getting somebody was a spy. Either it's Asian girl, she had one blood clot spy. The 9 of Cups. I don't know if you got engaged to her or you married her. We have the 5 of Cups, then we have the 9 of Cups. If it was the 9 of Cups first, then the 5 of Cups, I could say the engagement is off. I'm getting the 5 of Cups, 9 of Cups. So I'm getting your thoughts. You thought you were over. I'm getting right now, if you're not talking to somebody, if right now you're not even speaking, I'm getting you and somebody break up. Last week, okay, I'm getting next week when I get him to propose to you. Now, if we no break up because of misunderstandings and mutual things that we can't agree on and keep butting heads, that's one thing. If a man disrespect you and call you out of your name and you decide to break up with him because him don't respect you, do not marry a man like that. Because him only a come back for give you a ring so you can overlook all the disrespect him doing to you. So I'm getting, maybe you're saying that you and somebody finished, we're done. We will never get back together. But I'm getting 9 of Cups when I get engaged. The Moon card, I'm getting a Pisces, okay? Or I'm getting somebody I get engaged to you underneath the quiet. Somebody might marry you. Somebody else say, I want to marry you, but I don't want nobody to know. Now, I'll be very honest with you. If a man want to marry you and him don't want nobody to know and him not going to make a sign of prenup and him have money, do it. You see, if the man want to marry you and him want to have a big celebration and him want you sign prenup, don't do it. Me rather marry the man who want to marry me in a quiet and him don't make me sign the prenup. Because I get him want to marry you for either get away from him family or I'm going to marry you for hide him riches. Him going to marry you and then I don't know what kind of trust is this in 2025, but Little Dirt got married, so there's still trust somewhere out there. I just need to fucking source it, right? Me getting the man him rich, so maybe if he marry nobody, it's a big excitement. Me getting the man gonna marry you. Me don't know, me feel like he gonna transfer, marry that. Okay, maybe it's a Japanese person, yeah, marry. Maybe it's a wealthy man, yeah, marry. Me getting if him family know say marry you, worse if you're a nigga. They're gonna take away the whole line money. Me getting him gonna marry you secretly and transfer the whole line blood clot money over to your account and lay low. And me getting when the parents find out say I'm getting married and cut off the thing, it's too late. Everything transferred to your name already. Them can't touch it. That's how you do it. Stupid ass. What the fuck you relinquish? I'm gonna relinquish all my riches. Marry the girl in a blood clot secrecy. You idiot. Cause you done not listen to your parents already. Marry in a secrecy and transfer every blood clotting over. Tell your parents that you want college. Make them add a extra 4.1 million. Transfer everything over in the girl name. And make the girl hide the money for you. And I saw you gonna enjoy her, and I saw you gonna live the best of both worlds. You don't think your parents have secrets for each other? I can't marry this girl. What will my parents think? Your parents going to think that you're a loser and they're gonna cut you off from the family wheel. Might as well they take what you can get and hide it. Once you gonna move to Western world, your parents can't do nothing. Nah. We have the Hermit, Virgo, you remember Mickey? You remember the Japanese girl where you make my mother in a problem with? We're going to talk the story out. Mother's Day is coming up, so happy fucking Mother's Day to every blood clot body. Anyways, Virgo, you remember the blood clot Japanese girl where you make Sonia and Mickey in a blood clot problem? You made the mother of your kids and this Japanese girl in a blood clot problem. You remember Virgo? So while you're here trying to ban me and tell me that I cannot become a celebrity, you should focus on what the fuck you've been doing, Virgo. One more. The 9 of Wands, yeah. And while you're going around trying to pass off someone as a baby or trying to pass off someone as a child so they won't fuck, you should be more concerned as to why the fuck you had a Japanese bitch named Mickey and Sonia with your kids in the same motherfucking hotel. That's what the fuck you should be concerned about, nigga. Let's continue the fucking reading. Bitch, I don't give a fuck, bitch. Listen to me. Hollywood when come to people around me and tell them to sell me out any blood clot way. So you can't sell me out if I have your secret. If you're loyal, your secret safe with me. Me getting a Japanese girl a spy. Mickey, you're blood clot spy. Ha! You a spy, bitch. You a spy. You a spy. Let's go. 5 of Cups is clarified by the 10 of... Yeah, so the Pisces here. Again, we have Pisces again. You see? Okay, so I'm getting the mother of your children, she left you. Me getting you disappoint the mother of your child. See, 5 of cups, 10 of cups, you're disappointed because you can't get the family unit that you once had. Now, me don't know if your wife and children, your wife broke up with you, so you run go marry. Or me getting you had a woman, you had a kid, you had every single thing like that, and what the fuck you do? You run gonna get engaged to this blood clot foreign bitch. I not blood clot talk, I talk the story. I'm going to tell the story and I don't give a fuck. Shame on Pisces and shame on blood clot Virgo. Remember when me little and I never forget it's blood clot memory. I'm going to talk about the memory. Virgo, you can blood clot shame. Pisces, you can blood clot shame. Leave me the fuck alone, make my blood clot achieve my fucking dreams, right? You see my blood clot caught up in a man drama like my mother and blood clot father? No. So I don't know why they go on like me not do better than them. I never forget the blood clot day when I'm young. And my mother, we did live at Rockford, 22 Harbour Road, we did blood clot live. And my father called my mother and tell my mother not see my father in a long time. She not see me now. And remember him tell her to come at this, go to this hotel. One man just come down from foreign and him want to give you something and I want you to meet the man because me and the man the business. And my mother dressed up the whole way and go to the blood clot hotel. Me say my father with one Japanese blood clot bitch. Me say who the fuck is this Japanese girl? Anyway, my father passed it off to my mother. I don't know what the fuck my father tell my mother. But my mother knew something was blood clot up. Any fucking ways. I remember Christina. Christina is the youngest baby and she full up attack too. Christina. The usual put into bed for Christina when Christina was a baby. You used to give her little liquids, anything. Little juice, little liquids, something. And she drink and go to her bed. I remember being in a hotel room. I don't know if any one of my siblings have the memory, but I did wake up. I was up and was hearing every blood clot thing. And apparently my father left my blood clot man in the hotel room and tell my mother say, oh, I'm gone, go get blood clots. I don't know something for Christina. And hours have passed and my blood clot father no come back. And my mother get up and I searched the blood clot hotel compound for my father. Apparently he was in bed with blood clot Mickey. I remember my mother come back into the room, bust out her tail, she a bawl, she a scream, she a say how your blood clot left from foreign, invite your mother and the mother of your kids to a blood clot hotel room, you come down with Japanese girl and you fuck the blood clot Japanese girl. Mickey was the same blood clot Japanese bitch my father did want my brother for fuck. And that him there do, him a tell my mother and him a tell my brother, Chad, him a tell Chad, yeah man, just fuck, you can't marry Nikki. Marry Mickey. Him a fuck her down and him a tell my blood clot brother for marry her. And I try to pass it off as, oh, me get a wife for Chad. Me get a wife for Chad. Me never forget that blood clot day. That's why when you see me not really listen to my parents or me not pay them the blood clot mine, because me know me a big woman for my blood clot self. Me a 30 blood clot too without a kid. I'm more responsible than my blood clot parents, if you know that. I never forgot that. And when I saw that, I said, that would never be me. Never. I remember she come in and she a cry. And I don't know what go on. Because I say I go wake up and look and I just put the sheet over my head and I'm up. And him gone and go fall asleep in the blood clot bed with the girl. And my mother catch him. So you see why my mother should fuck on him? You see now? Do you see now? You see why if you ever hear nothing about my mother, how she fuck or she fuck this or whatever you did hear about my mother, you see why? Cool. Because I don't know. Virgo, you need for blood clot. Repent for your blood clot sins before you tell Google for blood clot ban me for my talent. Virgo, you listen to me. You have too much on your blood clot plate for trying to prey upon your blood clot daughter. Anyways, what's the 9 of Cups? The 9 of Cups is this, and the engagement is off. But you want 2 blood clot wife. Aren't you Rasta? The fuck you do with blood clot Asian girl? The fuck you do with Asian girl? You know blood clot Rasta? Those Asian bitches love big dick. I can motherfucking tell you that, bitch. The moon card is clarified by the King of Swords. We have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Hermit is clarified by the Leo card. And that Virgo though. Virgo tell the blood clot Leo. Cause in the 2000s, my brother went to blood clot Japan. And my sister go blood clot Japan. With the same girl. I mean, I remember if I before or after when them come back down, him come down with the same blood clot girl. And he fucked up because he fell asleep in that hotel room with the girl. And my mother catch him. So you and then he went back to him went back on the same blood clot flight to me don't know where with the blood clot girl. So that's why I say my mother should have fucked on him long time ago. Long blood clot time. You see the girl have Munchkin's syndrome. She have Munchkin syndrome. You know, from when she for blood clot fuck on him and leave him. That's why when she go foreign go join the blood clot white family, me say, oh lovely, look at your white kids. Look at your white man. I see she post, I see my mother post one Christmas picture with she and bare white people. I say, this looks like Get Out. She had a black one with a white man and a bare white kids in a Christmas. Cause I say, must be nice. You know, from when she for blood clot fuck pan Virgo. Happy Mother's Day. You know, from when she for fuck pan him. Destruction. 9 of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles. And if I mind the blood clot business, I make sure I'm not a fucking secret for you before you want to intervene with my blood clot. You want to intervene with my tarot career? You need to sort out why the fuck you Pisces and Virgo can't blood clot get along. And why the fuck Virgo would have fuck a girl and give him son. This don't make sense. Either way, Chad never wanted her. So yeah, let's just wrap this up because there's a lot of animosity, a lot of awkwardness happening here. So let's just wrap it up. So I'm getting somewhat a satellite. I'm getting ever since the blood clot 2000s, your blood clot family get hacked. So if a Virgo intervene in your relationship and I tell you this, that, or a Pisces intervene in your relationship and tell you this, that, the Virgo and Pisces have healing to do with themselves. And ever since I was a little girl, and I remember that myself, would I never make a blood clot man put me through something like that. Your blood clot man. Never, ever, ever. They never blood clot make a man style me like that. And that man was my own father. Me have them pan blast still. Me not really give up. Me a big woman. We have Mercury. Yes, Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo. So Gemini and Virgo only need to have a blood clot talk as to why the fuck you tell the Gemini how to treat somebody. Meanwhile, you have fuck on your blood clot, baby mother. Or I'm getting you need to have a conversation with a Pisces. We have Leo, law enforcement officer. Again, something about the Leo. So I don't know if the Virgo who did want the Leo fuck Mickey passed on the blood clot information to Leo, and now Leo I go around and suck the blood clot or kiss the ass of blood clot Japanese people, because your father used to fuck a Japanese girl by your blood clot mother. And Leo, yeah, blood clot go around and yeah talk about, oh my mother is such a slut, oh my mother fuck down the nation, oh my mother fuck, yeah, because your father did fuck pan her. You know, blood clot member. Yeah, when you're really acting like the men of this family are the intelligent ones. You really thought that? You think the men in the Carby family is the intelligent ones? It's not the man. Know that. It ain't the men. We have Shark. We have Secret Society, and we also have mental health. No, I'm going to go as far and say that maybe the Virgo gave the Japanese girl one-time daughter them identity. Maybe that's what happened. Come on, not lie, ever blood clots. Yeah, Mickey no one Japanese Rasta girl. She have locks. I want Japanese girl will have locks, right? And she claims that she reggae, or she don't know what she claim, the fuck she claim. But if that's the fucking rat you're talking, there's your rat. Yeah, look for the blood clot Mickey Mouse. You're looking for the rat? She come from blood clot Japan. And at the end of the day, I'm going to still blame Virgo. So when you see that I don't want to settle down, when you see that I really don't give a fuck about what a man thinks or say about me, that is the blood clot reason why. I see my father dog my mother. And I was there to live to see my mother dogging my father back with that white family. So I'm okay. I don't have no resentment against what the fuck happened. I just have to learn from my parents' mistakes. That is why I want to send the blood clot rich man for go blood clot there with me. I don't give a fuck if him blood clot rich. You disrespect me, go suck your blood clot mother. I don't give a fuck. So I'm gonna going to leave it here, Leo. I'm going to leave it here. Who are we doing? We're not the Leo. Capricorn, the devil. Right. So while somebody's playing a devil in your life, you have to remind them about them demon blood clot character in theirs. Happy Mother's Day. And so if you're a woman who is standing by a man who's fucking on you, you may suffer from Munchausen's syndrome. No, not Munchausen's. Stockholm syndrome. Stockholm syndrome. My mother used to suffer from Stockholm syndrome. But Eric did help her get a visa, and ever since then, she's been fucking white men. Good for you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.